Do you ever feel it's impossible to find ways to save money no matter how hard you try? You try your hardest to spend less money, but something always comes up. Here are 10 tips to discover the surprising ways you can save money every day. 10. Floss your teeth. Seeing the dentist is expensive and unpleasant, so it would be nice if you could reduce the frequency with which you require dental procedures. Most cavities filled by dentists result from the patient not flossing regularly. Tiny food fragments become stuck between our teeth as we eat, and bacteria slowly eat away at the food, causing bad breath and tooth decay. Flossing your teeth once a day, or better yet, after each meal, will reduce bad breath, save money on mints and gum, and prevent cavities. The more you floss, the less number of visits you have to make to the dentist. And when you reduce the number of visits to the dentist, you get to save a lot more than you already do. 9. Use essential oils instead of expensive perfumes and air fresheners. Perfume is quite expensive, and recent studies have revealed that some perfume ingredients can cause allergies and migraines. A good way to replace your artificial scent is to buy your favorite essential oil at your local health store, especially on sale days, and mix a few drops into a body mist. One tiny oil bottle can last for months by diluting a few water drops. Pour a few drops of the oil into a spray bottle, fill the rest with water, and you've got a homemade air freshener that's good for the environment in your wallet. 8. Pay with cash instead of cards. People nowadays don't carry cash because debit and credit cards are so convenient. Withdrawing cash from your bank account, on the other hand, allows you to associate a sense of reality with your money. Each piece of paper is a physical representation of the money you worked hard for. When you pay in cash, money is more than just a number in your bank account. It represents your time and labor. You may not have realized it, but you probably spend more when you pay with plastic, whether it's a credit card or a debit card or a debit card. Who doesn't love shopping with someone else's money? Alternatively, you can use a debit card. Using a debit card, on the other hand, removes the sense of loss when you spend money, whereas using a credit card gives you a false sense of wealth because you don't have to pay right away. However, when you spend cash, you feel it. It hurts when those crisp or wadded up green bills slip from your grasp. Something inside you shivers. You had money just moments ago, and now. No, you don't. So the next time you make a purchase, pay in cash to see what I mean. Keep at most $20 in your wallet so that you can reconsider your purchase if you can't buy what you want with cash. Test it out. 7. Make your food and snacks. Restaurant food is typically pricey. Many restaurants offer small portions for the cost of a full meal. You can control the portions and know exactly what is on your plate when you cook for yourself. Also, if you plan, you can save money and time by eating meals made from leftovers. For example, pork loin, vegetables, and a package of rice cost less than $20. With these ingredients, you can make a stir-fried dish that lasts several days. Healthy meals cost about $5 each, depending on your appetite. Any leftover rice can also be used to make a variety of meals. Do you eat a lot of snacks at work? If you answered yes, you're in luck. Snacking on carrots, celery, cucumbers, bell peppers, ham, and cheese is a good idea. You can save money and the environment by bringing your homemade snacks. There are numerous easy-to-prepare office snack recipes to choose from, so decide. Constantly purchasing snacks is expensive, so ensure you always have something to snack on when you're out and about. 6. Keep your receipts. The receipt from your grocery purchase is critical for saving money. Some grocery stores categorize their products, making your receipt a handy list of your perishables. Use a magnet to attach the receipt to your fridge, highlighting the items so you remember they're there. When you finish something, please make a note of it. You won't waste anything this way, and you'll get your money's worth. Keeping receipts allows you to double-check your spending with your online bank transactions. This can help you identify any unauthorized transactions on your account. Keep receipts in a separate box so you can easily find them when you need them. The moment you start to keep receipts of your spending, you'll begin to see growth in your savings and a reduction in your spending immediately. 5. Cancel any auto subscriptions or memberships. We'll get to that in a second. I have a favor to ask of you. If you like this video so far, please subscribe to the channel. You're paying for several subscriptions, including Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, gym memberships, trendy subscription boxes, and Amazon Prime. It's time to cancel any subscriptions you're not using regularly. When you make a purchase, make sure to turn off auto-renew. If you cancel and realize you can't live without it, subscribe again. but only if it fits within your new and improved budget. Consider sharing memberships with family or friends for those subscriptions you want to keep. Many streaming services, such as Netflix and Hulu, allow you to watch your favorite shows on 2 or more screens with an upgraded account. Everyone wins and saves this way. 4. Spend any extra or unexpected money wisely. Put a nice work bonus, inheritance or tax refund, or random stimulus to good use. And by good use, we don't mean adding that fancy new stamp to your stamp collection or putting it in the bank to camp out. If you still have debt, you better use those funds to pay off your student loans or the balance on your credit card rather than stash it away. If you're debt-free, put the extra money toward an emergency fund. For emergency fund. For emergency. If you get large tax refunds every year, it's time to adjust your paycheck withholdings so you can bring home more money each month. Plus, you don't want to give the government any more money than necessary, do you? So when that bonus at the end of the month comes in, or that big chunk of cash promised to you as a gift sometime in the month comes in, spend it wisely. You could keep it or spend it wisely on something important. It's extra money, so you didn't factor it into your monthly budget. Hence, the more reason why you shouldn't squander it. 3. Learn to say no or not now. We live in an age of immediate gratification. Our favorite restaurant's food can be delivered to our door in an hour or less. The show you want to binge on is waiting for you. Social media advertisements claim that you require this, that, and the other. At the moment, we're only a few clicks away from fulfilling almost any desire. However, if you can postpone some gratification by using the magic of no or not now, you will save a lot of money. It takes a significant mental shift to develop better spending habits in general. It's also another way to become more content. 2. Buy nothing new. Shopping second-hand for almost everything, from clothing to kitchenware, is a fun, money-saving challenge. Thrift stores are brimming with useful finds such as cool decor, household items, toys, and barely used brand-name clothing, including expensive items such as snow suites. If you have the time to look, shelves are lined with deeply discounted books for children and adults. Of course, there are bargains to be found at big box stores. If you must buy new, wait for end-of-season clearance sales and purchase for the following year. Look for guarantees as well. 1. Make use of coupons and promotional codes. Although couponing may appear archaic, finding bargains only sometimes necessitates clipping sections of the Sunday newspaper. When shopping online, look for a coupon code in the promo code box on the checkout page for a few minutes. There are also browser extensions such as Honey and Coupair that search for online coupons for you while you shop. Capital One Shopping is another tool that can automatically find online deals and is available to everyone, not just Capital One customers. It searches over 30,000 online retailers for coupon codes, best prices, and rewards. So while you're checking out a large chunk of products that caught your eye, take a deep breath and hold on just a second. Look around at the checkout page for coupons that can allow you to get discounts, and check your emails to see if you've received any free coupons lately before placing the order. Every day, we are confronted with temptations to spend every hard-earned dollar we have amassed over the years. But no longer. We are now saving rather than spending, either by using coupons during purchases or canceling auto-subscriptions. But the journey doesn't end here. If you're ready to start improving your financial well-being, take action now. Check the first link in the description for our Frugal Living ebook. Our comprehensive guide covers everything you need to know about living a frugal and rewarding life, including creating a budget, identifying areas for cost-cutting, and finding affordable alternatives to everyday expenses. It's never too late to start making smart financial decisions.